Today I will compare two TV in this video. So let's go. Now enjoy this video. Firstly, we start display. Display type. Panel type. Display size. Display resolution. Refresh rate. Pixel density. Display colors. Bit depth. Display brightness. Response time. Video processor. HDMI variable refresh rate. Auto low latency mode. Consumer electronic control. Filmmaker mode. High gig. HDR support. Next, connectivity. HDMI ports. USB ports. RJ45 ports. Wi-Fi version. Bluetooth version. 3.5mm audio jack. Next, audio. Speakers. HDMI ARC and ERC. Stereo speakers. Subwoofer. Dolby audio. Dolby Atmos. Detach audio. 3.5mm audio jack. Next, features. TV platform. Version at launch. Operating system updates. Chromecast. AirPlay 2. HomeKit. Voice assistance. Standby power consumption. Voice commands. Search browser. Next, design. Dimensions. Weight. Wall mount size. Special features. TV tuners. Maximum operating temperature.